Hi friends! Today we are cooking a creamy one-pot mushroom and spinach pasta with toasted walnuts. 30 minutes and you have this healthy dinner ready. Let's do it! First we need to chop some onion, garlic, our mushrooms, and soak some cashews. Drain. And then we are going to make a cashew cream. You can also use cashew butter. Now we are ready to cook. In a large pot, add some water. Remember, we are not using oil here. Add the onion. Saute for 3 or 4 minutes. Then add the garlic, mushrooms. Add some vegetable broth. And my favorite ingredient, some garlic salt. Cook for 5 minutes and then add the pasta. Add vegetable broth, plant-based milk, nutritional yeast, salt, pepper, and mushroom seasoning. Stir well and bring it to a gentle boil. Cook for about 10 minutes, and in the meantime, toast some walnuts. Now add the spinach and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the cashew cream. Mix well. And the dinner is ready. And look at that creamy, yummy pasta. You can top with some parsley and the toasted walnuts. And that's it. Thank you for cooking with me today. Enjoy!